Oh my goodness. I think it's finally working. I spent about an hour then trying to work this out. It's been way longer, like I've had a massive break and then I'll come back to it. Oh, I'll show you what I did, what I think was wrong. I might use this orange just later to drop off any items that aren't needed anymore too. But what happened was I think I had something wrong with this and that I had here. I said total compare to I and total get item count. I think something was wrong there, and so I just put another if statement inside the if statement and it's working. And I think there's a few other things I changed. Oh yes, this whole X thing wasn't there either. Instead of using else, which I thought might have been the problem, I changed it to, I made a local variable of X, and X would have been changed to 1 if it was successful, but if it wasn't successful, after it goes through 2 to 12, it would still be 0, and it would say glow is false. I was going to say, oh no, something's gone wrong. But no, it hasn't. It's all good. So if we take this out, next time it does forward, it should restock itself. Isn't that great? Yes! Oh, so good. I don't know if we need that extra ender chest, but I'm leaving it there anyway, because it would be too much effort to change it now. Alright, so now he has an infinite stock, pretty much infinite, of glass and glowstone. Oh, that feels good. But I don't think the lighting's working for one reason or another. I would have changed it to I'd change it to a different slot, and I wouldn't have changed the lighting to a different slot. Is that in make wall, or yeah, it must be in make wall. Let's have a look. Oh, it's been a while since I looked at the code up here. Above, select 15, not 2. That should be good. Oh no, not 15. I want to say, oh, I get to use my code here. I want to say select glow. Sweet. I think that's the only time I do that. Oh, I need to change the select to, yeah, I need to change all these too. That shouldn't be too hard because it's just select glass. Simple as that. So I'm looking for total.selects at the moment. Here's another one. Select glass. I love functions. This project has really been enjoyable. Besides the bit where I spent like an hour debugging, it's been really good. I think, no, one more. Select glass. Alright. Oh! I know. I was going to say, oh no, something's gone terribly wrong. And I just got in his way there, so let's break him. Come across a cave. It's interesting. Oop. Alright. Let's fix this code. So, the bottom, just need to do the select glass instead of select one, which is what I just changed. So it should work again. So let's tuck this guy up. You there, you there. You there, you there, you there. That should be good. CD disk tunnel. See, I made it print out those messages to make sure I could see what was happening. Oops. Wrong slots. Oh well, he can have a bit of extra glass. So now he's going to bring all the glass in until he finds some glowstone. So I'll put glowstone across this first row. And you should light this tunnel up and put the stuff in the right place. I gotta make some sort of system so that if he runs into any mobs, he won't just bug up, which is an issue at the moment. Probably. I wouldn't actually know, I haven't put any mobs down. Oh, this is good. Okay, so the next part of this project, it's a bit of a long episode, you know, I'll break it into parts, but still. This is going to be exciting. I'm going to try, and I say try, and implement a GPS function into this. So what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to access the main computer, maybe use a bit of RedNet, wireless, I don't know. But I'll be able to say, go to these coordinates, and it will do it. And I'm nervous, to be honest, about doing that. But at the moment, well actually, I'm going to go AFK for a while just to see what he does. I can leave him for pretty much forever, and if I come back and he's got a bug, then I'll try and debug it. But I'm going to leave him for quite a while and see how he go. Okay, welcome back. Yeah, I left this going for ages, and then I clicked on the world, and Minecraft crashed, so I don't know what happened there. But I'm going to go and see how he went. That's very interesting. Huh. I wonder how that happened. It's cool looking through the cave though. It's got some mushrooms, some walls around. Have it? Alright, something went wrong eventually. Ah. Something went very wrong. Problem is, he got a fail. Oops, I forgot I was in survival. Oof. Alright. Yeah, problem is, he went for so long before he came up with an error. It's a hard thing to debug. Oh, we can break him now anyway. And run back. This is all very strange. Yes. Something else that I thought of was CD disk edit tunnel. Was when there's too much room. So you get get out of space of greater than 64, then select glow, drop down. I'm going to change that to item space 11 on both, and then oops, downwards, and then you'll see I'll put some code in under forward that will drop items on the ground if he's getting too full. Because there are a lot of random items that he'll mine up that I don't want to keep. Because this is a tunneling guy, not a mining guy. I don't want to keep the resources. Although, mainly because I can't be bothered implementing it. But, okay, so if turtle.getItemCount is for 12 is greater than 1, then it's greater than or equal to 1, then end turtle.drop turtle.select 12 turtle.drop. Right, that should be fine. What else did I need to do? Oh yeah, I couldn't really tell. Now I was about to start GPSing it up, but now I'm afraid to. Let us move the disk somewhere else and see how he goes. So let us do that and that. Make sure we get it all, and so you need the first area need your computer there. This is how you start up the program. You need your disk drive up here, disk in it. You need to have a 3x3 area where he's going to start digging out the CD disk. Make sure his inventory's in the proper order. You need to swap those two around, don't want to get that messed up. And then you type tunnel. He's refilling himself. Obviously there must be glass at the front here. So this will be actually interesting. Let me get some more glowstone. To see if he actually gets to get any glass. Ah! I always wondered what was going on here, because he's putting the glowstone there. That used to be just that random item that I was using. Oh, we did get to glass. That's interesting. Then glow was true, so we just started. I'm impressed. Yeah, that was that random item, and so I was worried that something would mess up, but it didn't, so it's okay. I didn't actually need that random item there in the first place. And let's preview, see if he drops properly. He should after this move, because he'll pick up some gold here. Let's see. So it's got... Oops. Oh, the program kept going. It actually worked. I thought I must have broken something, but yeah, he dropped the gold out because he wants to have room, just in case. It's interesting how the cobble's going into there. I didn't know that, but now apparently he'll drop stuff every move. That's cool. I might sit here and watch him for a while and see if I can come across him doing anything bad. So I'll be back. So I was watching this and I came along a realization of what the problem may have been. And that is, if I come out here and down this tunnel, I didn't have to implement any code for gravel falling on his head because he would never dig up. But since I implemented the glowstone, he does dig up. And there could be gravel there, and there was in this situation, and looks like that stuffed everything up. So I'm going to edit that code, obviously, and we'll see how I go. Let's just chuck him there. CD disk, edit tunnel. That guy's still working away up there. I really should implement a way to get those resources. Anyway, I'm going to just do this for now. What's it doing? Oh, it's the glowstone. So dig up. While, wait, and then, so dig up, sleep, eep. Dang it! Typos galore. Sleep 0.4 seconds while turtle.detect up do and while turtle.detect up turtle.dig up sleep 0.4. Okay, so that should protect against gravel. Now, sweet, so I'm going to continue watching this guy and see how it goes. I love the lighting. I like how it's 3 across like that. It'll be interesting to see when that stack goes down. Anyway, keep watching. Ooh, looks like we've got a snowy cave here. I'm excited to see... I'll start again. I'm excited to see him make his glass barrier. And it looks like he'll run out of glass before too long. So that's another thing I'll be interested to see, whether or not he restocks properly. Woo! Nice cave. It'd be cool to actually set one of these turtles running at a high level too, like through an ocean. Wouldn't that be cool? Anyway, I'll keep watching it. Actually, I'll check how much glass he's got at the moment too. Oh right, I'm not creative. I was like, what's going on? Funny glass sounds. Don't know what you're doing. I was gonna say, that's strange, it missed. No, it's just not there yet. That's all. Man, I love turtles so much. It's so good. Anyway. Okay, so he's about to restock on glass. I want to see how he goes doing this too. This little glass tube's looking pretty cool. That's the hole I made, of course. Let's see how he goes. Let's watch the inventory. Error. Huh. That's funny. Huh. Why did they do that, I wonder? I think it might have been because his inventory was full, honestly. If I make some room. Why is he suddenly doing that? Stop it. Oh, now he's just continuing on again. Let's take out your petty glass. What? How is that happening? Maybe I do need the random item in there. Let's put the chainmail boots in. And take away his glass again. After he's finished this round, otherwise it'll mess it up. Why? This is bothering me because it's broken. I'm so confused right now. I have no idea what's going on. Something's going wrong. Obviously something's going wrong, but I'm just going to leave him there. Let's see, have a look at my code again. Where's the part where he does the stuff with the chest? Okay. New glass. So he places his chest down. He sucks in the boots. He sucks in the first thing in inventory. And then he should drop down. He should drop down the boots and then collect the chest. To collect the chest is just dig up. So if I add, oops. What if I add to collect chest turtle.select 16, 15, 14. Yeah, he's broken for good. this guy. But I don't know what caused it to do that. That's the hard part about all this. So much random stuff. Damn it, I'm not creative. I know it's just a button press away, but oh well. I guess let's just start him again. Oh, I'm missing an ender chest. Did it go in here? No. Where's the second ender chest? Not that I think I need it, but it's easier to have it there than not. Oh, there it is. I'm going to have a look at the select chest code. Oh. It's actually doing it wrong. I think that's why it's messing it up occasionally. It should select 14. It'll select 14. It'll compare 14 to I, and if they're the same, then it will select I. I might also just have, I'm gonna go rename this guy, select chest 1, and rewrite him just as function select chest turtle.select 1 end, and see how he goes. That one's there for good measure. Let's refill all this stuff. That looks good, and I'll have the random blocks in the first one. I might have it alternate just for ease. It'll be much quicker if it's like that. Alright. CD disk tunnel. Alright. Okay, let's break you before anything else happens. When he picked up the chest again, I need to collect chest. Okay, so this needs to be a 1. Alright, let's try that again. Glass, glowstone, chest, you there, CD disk, tunnel. That is how I originally intended. That's exactly how I originally intended. Perfect. Sweet. Phew. That's a relief. Now, what's the next step? I'm 90% sure he's not going to go buggy now. I might put some gravel above this glowstone coming up, and then I'll finish up and start on the GPS system. Dang it. Right on cue. That's quite hilarious. Wow. Alright, so he's almost there. Get out of the way. Alright. So forward again. He's got all of his stuff that he needs. Oh, okay, it's one more. I was like, what's going on? That's right. Everything is good. Sherbet. He digs up. Yep, he'll mine all the gravel just in case. And place. Sweet! Alright. time to start this GPS thing. Sweet, you're good. Let me put that stuff in there. Put the stuff I don't want in there. Just for safekeeping. And let's get this started. Also with the stairs, I've just been, because this is done by the turtle, he doesn't dig out this block, so I've just been doing it manually for ease of access. There we go. It's much faster to fly up and down. Alright. And I should have brought the disc with me. Actually, no, it's fine. I've got a bit of a tutorial here showing me how to do it. I will type it out for you guys. It is, where am I looking? Did I? Oh, here it is. Okay, so it's www.computercraft.info/forums2/index.php question mark 30888 how to guide GPS global position system. Right, because I probably forget to put this in the description, so that's the URL. You guys should be able to copy that down now, and I'm going to make it. So I need some glass. Already got some on queue. Or actually, it didn't really need to be like that. Oh well. Let's go up, get a bit of height here. Get rid of the rest of this. Alright. So it's a little bit confusing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got to work out which direction's which. So there's the sun. It's going that way. Sun rises. Dang it, I always forget this. Rises in the east, I think it is. Wait, 2 is north. Yeah, so it rises in the east and sets in the west. So that's north that way. There we go. There, and there, and there. You there, and you there. And I need to set up 4 wireless computers. I think I need a few of these. You there. You there. You there. You there. This will be my GPS station. What's it called? GPS cluster. And I'll get my modems and attach them to the bottom. Like so. Alright. I need to overwrite the startup files in these, so edit startup. Okay, so now I need to type shell.run GPS host, and you get the X, Y, and Z coordinates of these. So this guy, oh, I can never remember if the Y, yeah, the Y's at my eyes, isn't it? Yep. It's funny watching the numbers in the decimal slowly slow down, even though it looks like I'm not moving anymore. Anyway, so the coordinate of this guy would be Y99. The X would be 16. So X is 16, 99, and what's the Z? 1558. Sweet. You can see how far away I went from spawn to get this area. Sorry, I just had to move the mic there. And control save. And I need to do that to all of these guys. don't think I need to reboot him, so make sure that's saved and exit. There you go. Oh, no modem active. Opening bottom modem. Position. Serving GPS requests. Sweet, and that guy's red now. All good. So, edit startup. I'll just do these for the other three and I'll be back.